Thank you for visiting the Combs Waterkotte website and our Driver's License Reinstatement Lawyers in Missouri website page. Regardless of the crime, we believe everyone is entitled to the best possible legal defense in the state of Missouri. We have created this audio version of our website page to help you better understand our services and protect your future, freedom, and reputation. If you need help with the driver's license reinstatement in the state of Missouri, we can help. Don't face the state and court system alone during your driver's license reinstatement. Contact one of our Missouri driver's license reinstatement lawyers today at 314-900-HELP. Combs Waterkotte is committed to handling all driver's license reinstatement cases with confidential care and understanding. We are not here to judge you. We believe that everyone in Missouri, regardless of the crime they have been charged with, deserves an aggressive legal defense and to have their legal rights protected. With that being said, let's discuss hiring our driver's license reinstatement lawyers in Missouri and setting up a free consultation with our attorneys. Has your license in Missouri been suspended or revoked? At Combs Waterkotte, we handle traffic and license cases just like yours every day, and are committed to helping our clients get their driving privileges back. About driver's license, suspensions, and revocations in St. Louis and Missouri. A driver's license is not just a piece of plastic. It offers us independence, and, for many, it's a necessity for daily life. Whether it's commuting to work, running errands, or simply enjoying the freedom of the open road, the loss of driving privileges can have a significant impact on one's life. Combs Waterkotte handles suspensions and revocations just like yours every day. Contact one of our St. Louis traffic lawyers now at 314-900-HELP. In Missouri, driver's license suspensions and revocations are governed by a set of laws and regulations aimed at maintaining road safety and ensuring responsible driving behavior. According to Missouri law, a driver's license can be suspended for various reasons, such as accumulating too many points on the driving record, RSMO Section 302.302, driving under the influence, failing to appear in court for traffic violations, RSMO Section 302.341, or non-compliance with child support. Each of these situations carries its own legal nuances and potential consequences. At Combs Waterkotte, we understand the importance of your driving privileges and the impact its loss can have on your life. Our dedicated team is well versed in Missouri traffic laws and is committed to providing robust legal support to those facing the challenges of license suspension or revocation. We navigate the legal terrain with our clients, offering personalized guidance and aggressive representation to protect their rights and work towards reinstating their driving privileges. With our expertise in Missouri traffic law, we stand ready to assist you in navigating these complex legal waters, ensuring you are informed and prepared every step of the way. Reinstating your licensed lawyer in Missouri. Get your independence back. About reinstating your license in St. Louis and Missouri. The loss of a driver's license can significantly impact one's daily life, affecting the ability to commute, perform job duties, and maintain personal independence. Combs Waterkotte handles suspensions and revocations just like yours every day. Contact one of our St. Louis traffic lawyers now at 314-900-HELP. You may have even had your license suspended because of something you didn't even know was against the law. In Missouri, reinstating a driver's license after suspension or revocation is a process governed by specific legal requirements and procedures. A St. Louis traffic lawyer can be indispensable in helping you understand and guiding you through these steps. License suspensions and revocations in St. Louis and Missouri can result from various factors, including DWI offenses, accumulation of traffic points, Non-compliance with child support. Traffic violations leading to fatal accidents. Failure to appear in court or pay fines. Drug-related offenses. Insurance violations. Underage drinking and driving. The process of reinstating a license typically involves several steps, including serving the full suspension or revocation period, completing any mandated courses or treatment programs, and paying applicable fines and fees. For example, drivers who have had their license suspended due to alcohol-related offenses are required to complete a Substance Awareness Traffic Offender Program, SATOP, as mandated by Missouri Revised Statute, Section 302.304. At Combs Waterkotte, we specialize in guiding clients through the maze of requirements for license reinstatement in Missouri. Our expertise in traffic law enables us to provide tailored advice and effective representation, ensuring that each step towards reinstatement is handled professionally and with care. Whether it's filing the necessary paperwork, representing clients in court, or helping you understand and meet the specific requirements for their situation, our goal is to help clients smoothly navigate the process and reclaim their driving privileges in St. Louis, Missouri. Steps to driver's license reinstatement in St. Louis and Missouri. Reinstating a driver's license in Missouri involves a series of steps, each crucial to successfully regaining your driving privileges. Understanding and completing these steps accurately is key to a smooth reinstatement process. Our St. Louis traffic lawyers can assist you with completing the suspension revocation period, fulfilling court-ordered obligations, paying reinstatement fees, filing for SR-22 insurance, if applicable, attending required courses, submitting documentation to the Department of Revenue, passing required tests, maintaining a clean driving record post-reinstatement. How can a St. Louis traffic lawyer help with reinstating my license? Navigating the intricacies of Missouri traffic law and reinstatement procedures can be challenging, and our St. Louis license reinstatement lawyer's expertise provides the necessary support to make this process as smooth and efficient as possible. We offer personalized legal assistance tailored to your specific situation. We take into account the reason for your suspension, your driving history, and any other relevant factors to develop a strategy that maximizes your chances of a successful reinstatement. The reinstatement process involves a significant amount of paperwork and adherence to specific procedures. Our team assists in gathering and submitting all necessary documentation to the Missouri Department of Revenue, ensuring that every detail is accurately addressed. If your case requires a formal or informal hearing, our traffic attorneys will represent you, advocating on your behalf. We understand the importance of a well-presented case in court and strive to provide the best possible representation. We provide comprehensive advice on meeting your legal obligations, from completing required courses and programs to understanding the implications of SR-22 insurance. Our goal is to ensure you are fully informed and prepared at each step. What's the difference between a driver's license suspension and revocation in Missouri? A suspension is a temporary withdrawal of your driving privileges for a specified period. Suspensions can occur for various reasons, such as accumulating too many points on your driving record, RSMO Section 302.302, DWI Offenses, RSMO Section 302.304, or failure to appear in court for traffic tickets, RSMO Section 302.341. After the suspension period, and upon meeting specific criteria, including paying fines and possibly completing educational programs, you can apply for reinstatement. A revocation, on the other hand, is a more severe action, resulting in the complete termination of your driver's license. Revocations are typically issued for more serious offenses, such as repeated DUI convictions or vehicular manslaughter. The process to regain driving privileges after a revocation is more stringent. It often involves a longer waiting period, more rigorous requirements for reinstatement, and in some cases, a complete reapplication for a driver's license, including retaking driving tests. Contact an experienced St. Louis, Missouri, reinstating your license lawyer. Combs Waterkotte stands ready to guide you through this complex process with expertise and personalized legal support. Our commitment is to help you navigate the legal landscape and regain your driving privileges, ensuring you can get back on the road with confidence and security. Contact us online or give us a call at 314-900-HELP to discuss your license reinstatement for free today.